Okay, now I'm going to show you how to line this box. So I've got my freezer paper, which you can see is nice and shiny on one side, and I put a crease in it. I'm just going to tuck it in the end, like that, and one in the other end. Then I'm just going to put a crease in one side here. Tuck this over the edge. And you can put tape on this if you want, but I've just got this elastic band, which is quite convenient. So then I'm just going to hold this to one side and make a crease on the other side, like this. And pull this over the top. You can cut your freezer paper all in one piece, but it's a fiddle cutting out these square bits, and I think this is just as easy. There we go, and that's all ready to use.